Hi everyone. Today we want to learn how can the process the tree canopy cover from the MODIS satellite in Google Earth Engine. Tree canopy cover or TCC refer to a proportion of a ground area covered by vertical projection of tree cones, and it is an essential parameter for assessing the forest density, habitat quality, carbon storage, and deforestation. To estimate the tree canopy cover on a large scale, remote sensing dataset like the MODIS vegetation continuous field data are commonly used. So what is a MOD 44B dataset in MODIS? It's produced from the MODIS vegetation continuous field, and source is NASA Terra satellite MODIS sensor, and the spatial resolution is 250 meters, and the temporal resolution is annually, and you can see, yeah, you can see here the dataset availability and temporal resolution, and value range is a 0 to 100 percent canopy per pixel. And you can see here the description of this data catalog. You can explore more in a Earth Engine data catalog or downloading the user guides. And you can see here the bonds and percentage of a tree cover and other measurements. So how can we use this data on the Google Earth Engine? And first of all, define the area of interest or AOI. We use the boundary around the Florida, United States, and you can draw this or import from the Google Earth Engine features collection. I write it like this. I define the variable Florida ee.feature collections and need to use this the Tiger 2018 states, and in a state need to use the filter the Florida areas like this filter ee.filter equal the name of a area you want to Florida, and the map center object we define the Florida, and the zoom weight is a 6. If you run this, you can see the map. Map is here. If we run zoom the Florida areas, and in the second step need to load the MODIS data. We use the mod 44p.006, and I define this code here like this. I define the variable MODIS ee.image collection, MODIS 006, mod 44p, and I filtered data for 2020. As you know, it is annually, and select the percent of a tree cover, and first of a image we have, and we have here the annual one. After this, we need to add a clip image to the Florida. For this, we can use the var tree cover equal to modis.clip Florida. We define the Florida above, and after this, we need to add the resolution of this tree canopy cover. You can render the percentage tree cover bond using the color palette that show low to high cover like this. Write the map.add layer tree cover, and minimum is 0 and maximum is a 100%. And I defined this a white, light green, green, and dark green, and the description of a tree canopy cover MODIS. And after this, optionally you can use the threshold for the extract the dense forest. For example, if you want here, if I can run this, you can see we have a tree canopy for different areas. You can turn off this and validate with the base map. You can see here is the accuracy is good, and we have a dense forest here. And yeah, if you want to find the dense forest area, you can use this threshold method. I define the var for dense forest to tree cover, and I use it the 60% and add like this dense forest with the update masks, and use this palette for the dense forest. And if I run again, you can see I have a two layers. First one is a tree canopy cover, and second one is a dense forest higher than 60%. Yeah, like this. Thank you for watching, and you can like and subscribe our channel. And the application of this is a forest monitoring and policy planning, biodiversity and habitat assessment, and climate modeling and carbon sequestration and urban green space analysis. Thank you for your watching.